Hey everyone, my name is Joni, and today I'm going to share the best annual, undated, and daily planners for 2024 and how to choose one that you'll actually use. If you clicked on this video, you might feel that pressure of trying to find a planner before the new year or feeling really overwhelmed with all of your different options. So I'm here to help you narrow down your choices and find the best planner for you that works with your lifestyle and your goals. In this video, I'll be focused on passion planners specifically and how to choose the right one for you. All right, let's get into the video. So one thing I think we've done in the past is choose a planner based on the cover, or maybe you really like the artwork inside. While both of those things are really important, one of the first things that you want to do when choosing a planner is understanding your planner needs first. Think about your intentions for starting a planner. Do you want a space for your goals, a place to track your projects, a planner to express your creativity, or maybe you might want to track your health or wellness, your hobbies, etc. It all comes down to intentionality and what will actually fit into your life. Especially if you're new to planning, it can be a challenge to create a habit to check your planner every day. So remember to be realistic and take note of what your lifestyle looks like now, but also what you want your life to look like in 2024. So the thing that makes Passion Planner the goal-setting planner is the Passion Roadmap, which is included in every Passion Planner format. Here you have the space to plan out your long-term goals from 3 months, 1 year, 3 years, and your lifetime. While it can be really intimidating and even scary to write out your goals that far in advance, writing it down is such a powerful thing. I used to feel like if I wrote down a goal and it didn't happen for me, then I failed. But something I've learned is to just let go of the expectations and let your dreams be what they are. Just because they're dreams and just because they're big doesn't mean that it can't happen for you. So don't be afraid to dream big when filling out your passion roadmap. Now, this is the way it's set up, but you can also customize the roadmap to create your own pathways. For instance, I really enjoy sectioning my roadmap by goal categories like finances, career, and things like that to hone in on the different aspects of my life and only focus on 1 year at a time. Once you do this, you can choose 1 or 2 goals that you want to take action on now, or the goal that you think will have the biggest impact on your life and make it your game changer goal. This helps to get clear about your goals because it challenges you to break down the exact steps you need to make this goal achievable, which in my opinion is the most important step because it will help you see that your big goal is really just a bunch of small steps. So once you've sat down with your goals, intentions, and needs, you're able to really understand which planner works best for you. So the first planner I want to talk about is the Annual Passion Planner. This planner is the perfect planner for the classic planners, the ones that need a structured overview of your week or like to plan ahead and definitely need dates in their planner. Then this is definitely the planner for you. The planner comes dated, so everything is already laid out, including holidays, on the monthly and weekly calendars. What's really great about this planner is that each cover supports a different nonprofit organization. If you feel called to, this is also another way to make your decision on which planner cover to choose. So I'm one of those people that has been using a planner since grade school up until now, and so I've used every type of planner that you can think of. I've used horizontal planners, planners from Target, planners from Marshalls, but utilizing the Passion Planner practice has been the goal setting method that works best for me because of how easy and simple it is to customize and set your goals. The Passion Planner practice is a simple yet effective system that's built into the planner. Start by mapping out your goals with the Passion Roadmap, choose your game changer goal, and then transfer these actionable steps into your monthly layout and weekly layout to keep yourself accountable. This gives you a clear pathway to completing these goals one step at a time. The weekly layout is designed to time block your tasks in so that you're able to pinpoint your exact schedule and your free time. Once I schedule my tasks, I like to take a look at the empty spaces and schedule in time for rest or play. There's also a personal and work to-do list to set your tasks by priority and check them off when you finish. The Space of Infinite Possibilities section can be used for mind mapping, drawing, motivational quotes, and more. At the end of the month, there's a monthly reflection section to help you celebrate your wins during the month and how you can improve for next month. So So if you've ever felt that panic where you realize that you haven't touched your planner in like a week, I know I have, or if you have an unpredictable schedule or even commitment issues, Passion Planner also has a weekly undated version. The weekly undated is the exact same as the annual planners, but it has no dates and the monthly layouts are at the front. What I love about using an undated planner is the ability to stop and start whenever. Life happens, things can stop happening. So sometimes planning your life every week just isn't realistic for everyone. So with the undated, it's really easy to pick up where you left off. I also really love this planner to be able to customize and use it however you want. Because there's no dates, you can use the weekly spreads to plan a few days at a time and then pick it up again in the next few days. I also love using this planner for memory planning or even splitting up my planner based on what different things I have going on. So sometimes I'll do half of a spread on finances and then I'll do the other half of the spread on my wellness goals. So yeah, you can really do anything and everything with an undated planner. The last planner I want to talk about is the Daily Undated Passion Planner. This one is definitely my personal favorite because it's the most forgiving planner and it's also the easiest to customize. The Passion Planner Daily helps you get into the important details of your day and still provide space to time block and keep up with your schedule. What's unique about the Daily is that there's a self-reflection section that you can revisit at the end of the day to check in with yourself. Another great thing is that the roadmap section has an even more detailed game changer goal page that breaks down the steps that you need to achieve your goal. You can also set accountability metrics and even set a reward when you accomplish it. This planner is also great for those who are interested in bullet journaling but don't know where to start with it. I know for me, before I got into bullet journaling, I had to look up a bunch of Pinterest photos just to try to understand how to even start a spread, but with the layout that the Daily has, it makes it really easy to structure out the things that you actually need to get done, and then the Space of Infinite Possibility page is basically like a bullet journal page. There's a whole dotted page here to do whatever you want. You can journal, write notes, create your own bullet journal layout. However you want to use the space, it's there for you to get creative. The way you'd use the daily planner is by starting with your roadmap, then setting your goals for each day and filling in your to-do list the day before. Then in the time section, you can use your to-do list to time block when you want to get these done. Then you can view your calendar in the morning and check back in throughout the day to check off your tasks or use as needed. At the end of the day, you can fill in the reflection questions and you're done. So something important to know about the Daily is that it's actually designed to be a quarterly planner, so there are only 93 layouts in each planner, which is about 3 months. If you wanted to use it every day for a year, you would need 4 planners. For me, I really love using the Daily on days where I have a lot going on and just want to focus on that one day and really get into the details of it. But there are days where I'm not too busy or don't have a lot going on, and I might not want to use it. So if you're like me, then 1 or 2 of these planners will definitely last you a lot longer. All of these planners are really great individually, but don't be afraid to mix and match them to find the right planning flow for you. Personally, I love pairing my weekly planner with a daily planner. 2 planners sounds pretty overwhelming, but this system helps me stay organized every day and gives me the space to also memory plan and track the progress on my goals. The best part about these planners is that you can actually try and use all of them for free. Passion Planner is a huge advocate for making these planners as accessible as possible, so they are always available to download as a PDF at passionplanner.com. If you want to get a free planner, the link is going to be in the description. Thanks so much for watching this video. I really hope it helped you find the right planner for 2024. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below which planner was your favorite and what your goals are for 2024. See you next time. Bye!